Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West unboxing for November. I'm actually wearing one of my Nadine West shirts from last month. It's this little striped one. It's super cute. It was supposed to be a dress, but it's pretty short, so I paired it with some leggings, put some tall boots with it, and it's super cute. So, this is the sheet we have with everything itemized. That way, if you don't want it, you can send it back, or if you want to keep it, you know how much it cost. And you just put it back in the bag and mail it back. They have the label, everything in there, super easy. And they're only going to charge you for what you keep. So, let's see what I got this month. This looks fun. I got a sweater kind of like this. It was a different material several months ago, maybe even last year, and I love it. So this one's a pretty, I don't even know what color you would call that, purplish color, but it's real crisscross in the back. I think that's cool. I like that a lot. Very cute. And as always, I put full body pictures of the clothing at the end in case you want a better look at it, and the jewelry as well. So let's see what this is. I love black. I have so many black tops. So this is just like a little wispy jacket to wear. Just plain black. It's nice and flowy and long and super soft. With the jewelry tucked inside here. And this top. So we got all tops this month. And this one is super long and flowy as well. It almost looks like a dress, but it's not. Again, something that would go good with leggings. So that's pretty. Typically I'll get like 2 tops and maybe like leggings or shorts, but this time I got all 3 tops. And then I have some earrings, bracelet, 2 pairs of earrings this month as well. These are interesting. Huh. I've never seen that before. I guess you just stick it back through here and there's no like backing to it. And there's like one little diamond-like stone on each one. I bet that looks very cool on. That's definitely unique. So I have that. And the other pair of earrings has like a little gold tree on it. Those are kind of cute. Then I think that's the same, yeah, it's the same design on this necklace. I think this is the necklace anyways. Yeah, that's cool. They're just matching. So that's what that looks like. And then I always love the bracelets that they send. I've gotten some really cool bracelets. This one's just real simple. I don't know if you're supposed to unhook it, or if you, I guess if you have small enough wrists. My wrists are pretty small. Let's see if it slides over. Yeah, I could probably make it slide over. But yeah, you could kind of press in and it comes unhooked on one side. That's cute. So all the accessories were gold colored except for the 1 pair of earrings, and then we got 3 tops. So pretty cool. If you guys are interested in a subscription, I have a promo code that we get free shipping, so I'll link that below. And if you want to see past items I've gotten, past bags, I'll go ahead and link that as well below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.